To start with, I will call the President, Mr. Ghansham Mahalingam Senke. Please raise your right hand. Yeah. So Mr. Ghansham Mahalingam Senke, the General Leadership of Sangli Chapter is entrusted to you. You will act as the chairman of CWC and be part of all the committee of the chapter. You will give directions and leadership to all areas of chapter activity. As a chapter president, it will be your responsibility to ensure that policy directives of the society and your CWC are carried out. Above all, you are the one to whom the members of the chapter can and will direct their criticism of policies and activities, and you must render satisfaction them to all. The privilege of this service carries with a great honor, a real responsibility, and a lot of hard work. Do you, Mr. Ghansham, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of chapter operations?
Yes, I do.
I am pleased to install you as the president of Sangli ISHRAE Chapter. Congratulations. Now I would like to call President-elect Mr. Gajanan Tejubhai Lalwani. Mr. Gajanan Tejubhai Lalwani, as principal assistant to the president, you will at all times be prepared to assume his duties should the president be unavoidably unable to attend to chapter meetings, board meetings, and such other duties as may be delegated to you. Do you, Mr. Gajanan, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of chapter operations?
Yes, I do.
I am pleased to install you as president-elect of ISHRAE Sangli Chapter. Now I would like to call Mr. Abzur Zahirullah Khan, who is going to be secretary. Mr. Abzur Zahirullah Khan, it will be your responsibility to keep the due record of the meetings, attend to correspondence, and be an aid to the senior officers. Do you, Mr. Abzur, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of chapter operations?
Yes, I do.
I am pleased to install you as secretary of ISHRAE Sangli Chapter. Congratulations. Now I would like to call the CWC team, Mr. Ravindra Kumar Hanmant Yadav, Mr. Sagareshwar Somnath Badache, Mr. Sajid Ahmed Afzal Sheikh, Mr. Anil Ashok Patil. Please all come together. Please raise your right hand. Because of your demonstrated interest and activity in the Society of Chapter Affairs, your fellow members have elected you to represent them in the Chapter Working Committee. It will be your individual responsibilities to meet as a committee. It is an honor and privilege to serve on it, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this activity of the society and to install you as member of the Chapter Working Committee of ISHRAE Sangli Chapter. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you so much. I would like to call the immediate past president to be here, and we have a group photograph.
ग्रुप फोटो घेताना तुमचं नाव सांगा आरडी साहेबांना मध्ये घ्या
अरे नाही मला युआर इम्पॉर्टंट
थोडं जवळ या नाही नो प्रॉब्लेम
As a family representative, I invite my mother.
Yeah, please. Please come.